Right now we just chilling. Got my platinum right there. Whew. And this shit fire. Smoking this blunt. We making sure we get all that nasty, dirty oil out. So just letting it drip. Letting it drip a little bit. We gonna need this blade later. I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll let you know when I'm smoking. Orange diesel and a white owl. Fuck, I'm still weed. She want to smoke the blunt with me. She don't want to help me change that damn oil. We back here. As you can see, I spilled a little oil on the floor. I guess I'll get that up, whatever. But it all dripped out. Time to put this little screw back in. It's actually harder than I thought to try to film this shit while I do it. Damn, more oil gonna get on me? Fuck. Not that much. Put that in like that for now. Make sure you get a napkin and shit. Clean all that off. And definitely tighten it. It ain't tight yet. I'm just putting it in there to stop the leak. Because now, you can't forget about this. You gotta fuck with this dumbass filter. You gotta get that shit up out of here. You don't want the old filter, so I got this thingy. Whatever this is. Yeah. So put it on there like that and some shit. Damn, one hand's not working, is it? Fuck. Alright, hold on. Alright, sorry y'all. There was no way I could record and fucking loosen this shit with the thing I just showed you. But I loosened it a little bit. I don't want to drop my phone in the fucking oil. And then it should be good enough. Alright, I can loosen up my hand a little bit. Alright. Should start leaking. Oh shit, there you go. Oh yeah, it starts leaking. Smart thing to do, let that shit leak out. It leaks out, that way when you actually take it off, a bunch of fucking oil ain't gonna fall out. I think it's obvious. And that shit stop dripping. Pull it off nice and slow. It might drip a little more, you can let it drain out. But this is a new one. And for some reason, they say you're supposed to put some oil on it. So, I mean, make sure it's still good. It'd be fucked up if you fuck your whole engine up. Cause you didn't do this one thing. Look, man, look how easy that is. Oh, my bad. Easy. That's it. Put this on. Put a new filter up in there. He good. They say hand tight. So don't put that shit on too tight. Just hand tighten. Whatever your hand can't do, too bad. That's good. That bolt, you want to tighten him up a little bit. But not OD. Just hook him up. Make sure you're on there good. And throw the oil away. And now it's just time to fill it up. Pretty sure you know how to do that. I could drop the car down there and all that now. Remember I told you you was gonna need this little pink book?